Alright, oh. I just video and be right back. Alright, I was just videoing and that's right. What the hell just happened? Is that a bug? Fingernails, they go from up to crazy. Up the scale, they go from you meet the lights and the shadows collide. Your body get twisted and tangled and mine. Love so good, I could just be free. Cause you could stay with me. Alright, time to rejoin. Don't mind me singing, by the way. Alright, time to play again. Also, I still don't know how to e-hop and e-dash. So I'm gonna try to practice. Why is this so long loading? Why there's so many overwhelming help? So guys, as you know, I already played this game before. Because never mind, I haven't told you yet. Crap. Alright, logs in. Time to practice in. Oh wait, I need someone to help. Come on! Fingernails, they go from wait, I think I will do. Fingernails. Can anyone tell me how to e-hop? I can't do it. E-hop. Oh my god. Don't worry, I just said sheet. SHEET. Alright, let me lock in. If Rainy Melon this, by the way, I'm a big fan of Rainy Melon. I just forgot. I haven't friended you yet, so after this I'm a friend Rainy Melon. Oh nah, that's a dog. So I love this game so much that I have an obsession with this. So tonight I'm gonna play. Never mind, I don't have. Never mind. Tonight I will not play anything because I have school tomorrow, and we will make something that we will make expensive holder. I'm just 8 years old, by the way. My mom is sleeping. Oh my god. Okay, thanks for someone who made this. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright.
You're good, ma'am. It was low key.
Oh, I'm saying, oh, nice.
Ma'am. It was low-key
Anyways.
positive.
So, can anyone still tell me how to do it?
It was low-key positive.
Oh, I lost. Can anyone help me?
It was low-key positive.
It was for the greater good, ma'am. I'm Alex.
Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Is someone
See you back in Black Mesa?
oh,
I'm sure
hi.
you don't remember me though. I'm Alex
I
Vance.
just started,
My father
bruh.
was
Bruh, I just got revived. Why always me? Oh well, it's fine though. Thank you.
I'm Alex Vance. My father worked with you back in Black Mesa. I'm sure you don't remember.
It was for the greater good, ma'am.
I'm Alex Vance. My father worked with you back in Black Mesa.
For the greater good, ma'am.
I'm sure you don't remember. I'm Alex Vance. I'm Alex.
Oh, by the way, guys, I am a small
Alex Vance. My father worked with you back in Black Mesa.
By the way, I am a small content creator, and I don't do that much search. By the way, last time it was my birthday, and then it was January, and I was angry because I am, and my bias is Yuna, Yuna, kawan, Iroha, I live billion, goyang Yuna, Yuna, kawan, Iroha, I live billion. Tic tac, tu for tic tac. Tic tac, Yuna, Minju, Mocha, Nani.
It was for the greater good, ma'am.
Alex Vance. My father worked with you back in
Oh, thank you. Oh, we survived. Yay. Be right back. I'm gonna be right back. I think. Right back. Welcome to Putong Aslan. Alright, I got the lucky. Yay! What's it gonna be? The islands? Oh no, we're good. Oh, come on. So, but the pain and really change. Harder. Your herbs like a bit. Act like humanoid. Comment stop in your lips. Foaming. I just keep on going to beautiful. Imagination got me going viral. Life of imagination got me inspiral. Honestly, are you okay? Your digital footprint look Alright, this is enough. Bye guys.